Hello everyone, my name is Swaroop Kumbhar. I am from Karnataka. I have completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science in 2023. So after completing my graduation, I looked for a job. So I didn't got it. So one of my cousin told me about this Evision Technosur Private Limited. So they provide a 45 days job internship program. It's online. They will take online and with great tutors. They will teach you about the basic of networking, some modules regarding it, like CCNA, then Windows administrations. They will take mock interviews of you once you completed the course, and then after you, they will prepare you for the interviews also, and then. So I have completed this job and I got placed at one of the MNCs in Pune. So if you want to join job or want to get job, so join Evision Techno Lab and get the job done. Thank you Evision for helping me to get this job. Okay, thank you.